Sum number 16 of first part. Radius 3.5 centimeter, height 12 centimeter. Find the volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. R is 35 by 10, 2 times. H is 12. Now cross 7, 5, 35, 5 to 10, 2, 11, 22, 7, 5, 35, 5 to 10, 2, 12, 6, 12, 3 to 6, 7 to 14, 14, 11, 154 centimeter cube. That is the volume of cone. Second part, first sum. Radius 7. Straight height L is given, that is 25. Now we have got height because in volume we need height. So height equal to L square minus R square. ठीक है, L square का फॉर्मूला होता है L square equal to H square plus R square in root. But if we find H is equal to L square minus R square in root. Put the value L 25 square, R is 7 square, 25 square 625, 7 square 49, 625 minus 49, 576, root of 576, 24 centimeters. It means height is 24 centimeters. Now volume of cone. So volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. Put the value 1/3 pi 22 by 7, r 7 h. H we find 24. Cross 7 with 7, 3 8. 8 7 56. 56 into 22. 6 12 6 32. 132 13. 110 and 13. 123. It means 12 32 centimeter cube. That is the volume of cone. One centimeter cube equal to और बाकी 1232 by 1000 centimeter cube लीटर, क्योंकि बेटा 1000 जो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब होता है वो क्या होता है 1 लीटर इक्वल होता है. क्या बन जाएगा 1.232 लीटर. दैट इज आंसर 1.23 लीटर. We have height of cone. Height of cone is equal to 15 centimeter. Volume equal to 15 17 centimeter cube. Formula of volume define height. Formula of volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. 15 17. 1 by 3. Here the pi is given, that is 3.14. It means 3.14 by 100 r square. R square not given. H is given 15. 15 17 cut them. 3 at 3 table 5. At 3 table 20. 5 table 20. At 2 table 157. 157 by 10 r square equal to 1570. R square equal to 1570 into 10 by is 10. Radius of base is 10. Radius of base is 10 centimeter. That is our answer. बात करना here. Height is equal to 9 centimeter. Volume of cone is equal to 48 pi. Define diameter. Put the value. Volume cone 1/3 pi r square 48 pi. Pi equals to pi 1/3 r square 41. H is 9. 48 pi 48. Cross 3 with 9 3. R square 48 by 3. It means 16. 16 r square equal to 4 square. It means r is 4. Radius is 4. So diameter equal to 2 into 4 because diameter is double of radius. 2 into 4 8 centimeter. So diameter of the cone is 8 centimeter. That is our answer. Firstly, diameter is equal to 3.5 meter. Diameter 3.5 meter. Radius 3.5 by 2. It means 35 by 20. 0 नीचे आ जाएगी डेसिमल की. कट ऑफ 7 4. हाइट के लेवल में 7 by 4 centimeter. That is the meter. That is radius. Depth h. Depth h equal to 12 meter. Volume of conical pit. Conical pit is equal to volume of conical pit is equal to 1/3 pi r square. 1/3 pi. Pi 7 by 22 by 7. R 7 by 4 2 times. H. H is 12. Cut them 3. Cut them 3 with 3. 7 with 7. 4 11 2. 77 by 2 equal to meter cube equal to 38.5 meter cube. 38.5 meter cube. 1 meter cube क्या होता है बेटा? 1 किलोमीटर. और 38.5 kilometer because 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. हमारा आंसर आ गया 38.5 किलोलीटर. Sum of 6. Volume of tricycle cone diameter equal to 28 centimeter. Radius 28 by 2, that means 14 centimeter. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. वॉल्यूम गिवन है हमारे पास कितना है 9856 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. हम लोग वैल्यू करो 1/3 पाई इक्वल 24/7 r is 14 h is not given. 9856 cut them 2 28 616 by 3 and 9856 h equal to 9856 into बेटा जी इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा कन्वर्स 3/616 जिसकी कट हो जाएगा सीधा कट करेगा 60 के टेबल में 16 63 48 सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज द हाइट ऑफ कॉन. फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया. अब सेकंड पार्ट में आएंगे. बात का 1 मिनट. L equal to h square plus r square in roots. H is 48. 48 square. R is 14 square. R is 14 square. 48 square 2304. 14 square 196. Add both 2500. Root of 2500 50. L is 50. Straight height of cone is 50. Bar pass. Sometime that is straight height of cone 50 centimeter. CSC of cone equal to pi r l. Pi is 22 by 7. R 14. L is 50. 7 to 14. 5200 into 22. 2200 centimeter square. That is the CSA of cone. A right triangle, right by 13 equal about 12 centimeter. A right triangle given 12 centimeter is the base, 13 is the straight height, hypo 12, find the base. बेटा इसको घुमाया जाएगा, क्या होगा? 12 को घुमाया जाएगा, 5 को ऐसे घुमाएगा तो रेडियस 5 आएगा, हाइट ऐसी रहेगी, ठीक है? रेडियस क्या बन जाएगा? रेडियस कोन 5 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट 12 सेंटीमीटर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. बेटा पाई की वैल्यू कितनी करनी? y by 1/3 पाई. That is r 5 h. h is 12 cross 4. 5 by 25 400 100 पाई. इसका आंसर आएगा 100 पाई. आपको लोग मिलेगा तो ये वाला बनाएगा ऐसे बन जाएगी. हाइट 5 रहेगी, रेडियस बन जाएगा 12. रेडियस ऑफ कोन 12 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट 5 सेंटीमीटर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन equal to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r 12 h is 5. करते हैं 4 240 pi. 240 pi. बेटा अभी हमने क्या निकालना है? इसमें रेशियो निकालनी है. रेशियो इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इन अ 7th question by volume of cone in a 8th question. Volume of cone in 7th question, volume of cone in a 8th question. दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे. 100 पाई by 240 पाई. पाई पाई क्रॉस 0. 5 by 12. Ratio is 5:12. That is the answer. Number 9. Diameter 10.5 meter. Radius 10.5 by 2. It means 105 by 20 करते हैं 21/4. 21/4 meter. Height 3 meter. Volume 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 22 by 7. 21/4 21/4 h. 3 cross 7 3 21 11 2 63 693 by 8 88 64 53 86 48 5 50 86 48 the volume of cone. L is equal to x square plus r square. H is given 21/4 square, r is 3 square, r square x square, r square x square, 3 square. Put them 441/16 plus 9. 16 is the LCM. 441 plus 9 6 144. 9 6 144. It means 585/16. It means 585/4. It means 24.186. It means 24.186. 24.186 divided by 4. 6.04 by 4, 60426. 26 6. It means or 6.05. That is the L length. CSC of conical is pi RL. Pi 22/7, R 21/4, L 605/100. But then 4, this is 11, 2, 3, 121, 20, 11, 3, 33 into 121 by 40, 33, 3, 6, 69, 6, 31, 6, 39 by 40 centimeter square approx. Four 9 36, 3 39, 4 9 36, 3 33, 4 8 32, 1 10, 4 2 8, 2 20, 4 5 20, 99.825 meters square. That is the area of the canvas needed for E. So area of canvas canvas equal to 99.825 meter square. That's all.